Hi, it's a gorgeous day in Coto de Caza, and this is our Buddleia davidii. It comes to us from central China and the rocky hills of Tibet. In its natural habitat, it gets about 12 feet high. It's also known as a butterfly bush because the butterflies absolutely love the flowers. Now there's over 100 different varieties of this shrub. Ours is called a monum. Now it's sold at your local nursery as a non-ho purple, sometimes a petite plum, and the variety can get about 3 to 6 feet high, and this one here is about 6 feet high. Now the cultivar, it's a compact variety. It was created by Monrovia Nursery in 1980 and won the Royal Horticultural Society Award of Golden Merit in 2002. It's very common to cut the flowers and the stems off for flower arrangements. Here are the leaves of our shrub. They are green, they're lance shaped, they're opposite on the stem, so they work in pairs. Here's a pair, here's a pair, as they work themselves up to the pinnacle of flowers. Now the reverse side of the leaves is a bit glossy. They have little woolly hairs on them. And the pinnacle here of flowers is really hundreds of individual flowers themselves. They bloom from mid-September through fall. They have a mild fragrance. They attract butterflies, hummingbirds, bees, and other pollinators. So this flower, it's very pretty. However, every flower spike will contain up to 40,000 different seeds. Now the seeds disperse quite easily in the wind or any other means to get them around. You find this on the east coast of the United States. On the west coast, you find it in Hawaii. Some areas it's so aggressive it's considered to be a weed. Now to control that, what you want to do is when these flowers die back and expose just the seeds, these are the seeds. Holy moly. You know, 40,000 seeds in one pinnacle. So what you do is you snip these off at the base, you put them in a bag, you throw them in your garbage. Do not put these in your compost pile. Do not put these in your green waste because you'll just spread the seeds even further around. So this one here, this plant obviously needs a bit of pruning before these seeds get out of control. Here we have a little fiery skipper butterfly. He's doing his pollinating job. Here we have a monarch. If you decide to grow this plant at home, it requires very low maintenance, full sun, 8 hours a day if you have it, very little water. Never let the roots or the base sit in standing water. It needs lots of drainage. Now after it's all flowering in later winter or early spring, you cut these low and close to the ground and you will get superior and much better flowers the next summer and fall. Now this here is a cluster of several flowers, or shrubs. They're much better if you plant 3, 4, or 5 of these together than just one alone. Here we got some little butterflies. Once again, this is a great butterfly tree. I do recommend it, but please take care of all the seeds before they blow around your community and in your neighbors' yards. All right, have a great day. Bye.